I started filming a little bit too early a minute ago. We're going to try this again. The main core of the storms is moving south of here. I swear, every time I turn the phone off, the thunder and lightning get more predominant. I don't even think you can see that. There's a little core heading here. They brought a lot of the major storm chase vehicles down here to the Oklahoma-Texas border, but if they were smart, they are working a little further south right now. Yeah, buddy. Not a lot of thunder with the lightning tonight. There's some. Well, I'm gonna shut this down and post it and wait a little bit, see if I can get a better one.